Now let us talk about the third strategy and the equipment required for it. That would be the automated systems. There are automated picking systems available that are suitable for certain applications. We should keep it in mind that automated systems for picking might not be a universal concept right now, because there are certain limitations to the automated systems when it comes to picking the goods from different storage areas. So there are certain applications, there are certain scenarios in which automated systems can be used for picking. In terms of automated systems, we have layer pickers. Of course, layer pickers actually take the stack of pallets and it would lift it, and it will actually move it to the place where, or to the area where it would be getting ready for the shipment. Now in this, we need to actually tell the automated system, the ASRS system, automated system for retrieval of the storage goods. We need to actually command that automated system that what would be the size of the layer. And of course, there would be the limitation that the products which would be stacked, or the SKUs which would be stacked on those pallets, they are of some regular shape and not that heavy, so that the layer picker can actually pick it and retrieve it to the area of shipment. Then we have dispensers. They can actually take more than one layer because they have different sections in it. Then we have the robotic applications. In terms of robotic applications, a robotic kind of an automated system would actually be used for lifting different items from different locations. Of course, the robotic application would have more flexibility than dispensers and layers. But at the same time, every information for every specific SKU needs to be coded in that robotic, or needs to be provided to that robotic to work efficiently. So it's one of the emerging applications in the warehouses. Not that extensive. It is still used, the robotic application is still used up to some limited SKUs. If you see this figure, you would see the A-type wedges. These are the dispensers. If you see it in the center, you will see the A-type. These are the dispensers which can be used for loading the material on the one side and unloading it at the other side as well. So dispensers have many applications. This figure will actually clarify the concept of some of the automated systems which are being used in the warehouses. So students, we have seen some of the automated systems, the tools or the equipment which can be used for automated picking. Thank you.